So here's 9353 Moonscape. It's a home path property. This is the entryway here. Step down, then up to kitchen, and then up again. We'll start on the ground floor. Tile. The carpet doesn't look like it's in bad shape. Backyard. It's just closed. Okay. 4 bedrooms. Here's one of the bedrooms. Looks good. Half bath here. Two-car garage with storage. Glass door openers here. Oh, looks like central vac too. It's listed for $189. 1,800 square feet, built in 2007. There's your main living floor here. Tile. Granite, needs a stove. Good sized kitchen. And a dishwasher. A balcony to the front of the house. This is the neighborhood. Built-in entertainment center there. So you really only have the kitchen, family, and dining room on this level. No bedrooms. More windows. I guess that's a basketball court, but I don't see any hoops. Another bedroom here. Carpet's in good shape. Paint looks good. Laundry. Full bath. Bedroom facing the front of the house. All the fixtures look to be here. Here's the master. It looks pretty good. I mean, you have to touch up a little bit, paint. Closet. A little higher. Vanity here. Full bath. 9353 Moonscape. It's in Mountain's Edge.